Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you expert reviews from a beauty insider's perspective. Have you ever struggled with shaving or trimming in those hard-to-reach spots? Whether it's for your face or body, getting a precise, smooth shave without irritation can sometimes feel impossible. Well, today, I've got a solution that might just change the game for you. Let's talk about the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face+Body Travel Kit. This hybrid electric trimmer and shaver promises to offer a smooth and comfortable shaving experience with its innovative design. It comes with a travel case to keep your tools safe while you're on the go, making it ideal for busy schedules or travel. First, let's break down what makes this kit stand out. The OneBlade technology is designed to move at an impressive 12,000 strokes per minute, which allows it to cut through hair efficiently, even on longer strands. It uses a dual protection system with a glide coating and rounded tips to ensure that it's gentle on your skin. That's a big deal if you've ever had a razor burn experience. This one aims to prevent that. But it doesn't stop there. The OneBlade 360 features an innovative blade that flexes in all directions, allowing for constant skin contact. This ensures you can trim or shave areas that are difficult to reach without needing multiple passes. A key highlight here is its versatility. The 5-in-1 comb allows you to trim your beard at 1 to 5 millimeter increments, giving you the flexibility to achieve the perfect stubble. It even has a skin guard for sensitive areas like the neck and underarms, great for anyone who tends to experience irritation. In terms of the body hair care, the included click-on body comb, set at 3 millimeter, makes shaving body hair just as easy as trimming your beard. Plus, it's designed not to cut the skin, which is reassuring if you're working in delicate areas like the groin or underarms. It's a comprehensive all-in-one solution for anyone who values convenience and performance. But how does it feel in real life? I had my husband help out with the testing since this product is designed specifically for men. It was easy to incorporate into his grooming routine. He found that it was comfortable to use, and the ability to shave and trim without causing any nicks or cuts was a big plus. The flexible blade is incredibly helpful for reaching areas like the jawline or under the chin, where precision is key. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this OneBlade 360 offers smooth, efficient shaving with minimal irritation, thanks to its dual protection system and flexible blade. The 5-in-1 comb and body comb provide excellent versatility for trimming and shaving different areas. And the travel case is a nice touch to protect your device when you're on the move. However, on the downside, while the OneBlade 360 is versatile, it does require you to replace the blade periodically, which can add to the ongoing cost. Also, the charging time can feel a bit long compared to other devices in this price range. So if you're in a hurry, it might be a slight inconvenience. Is this tool worth the price? Well, considering its durability, versatility, and the convenience of the travel case, it offers solid value. If you're someone who regularly uses a trimmer for both your face and body, this could be a great investment. If, however, you only need a tool for one specific area, there may be cheaper alternatives that serve the same purpose. Comparing it to similar products in the market, you'll find that the OneBlade 360 stands out for its hybrid design, flexibility, and dual-sided blade. Many other shavers out there are either geared more toward facial hair or body hair, but this one does both effectively, making it a more versatile option. As for build quality, the OneBlade feels sturdy and well-designed. The travel case is an excellent addition, helping to protect the device from scratches and damage while keeping everything neatly packed. The product is built to last, and with proper care, the blade should last a decent amount of time. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options like the Panasonic Wet-Dry Electric Shaver or the Bronze Series 3, which provide a good shave at a lower price point. However, they don't offer the same level of flexibility and dual-purpose design as the OneBlade, so it ultimately depends on what features are most important to you. To sum it all up, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face+Body Travel Kit does a great job of combining convenience, comfort, and performance. It's ideal for someone who values a multifunctional grooming tool that can handle both facial and body hair. If you're someone who travels often or just needs a reliable all-in-one tool, this one could be a great fit. If this review has been helpful to you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue making honest, helpful reviews just like this one. And if you're itching to get your hands on the OneBlade 360, the link is in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Stay beautiful inside and out, and see you next time on Beautyistic.